in this video, I am going to try and sort out that shelf, that one up there, because as some of you have already noticed, it's not straight. It is straight to a point that when I screwed it into the wall and had a back plate on it, that was dead level to the spirit level, but the problem is that that shelving is actually bowed, and that's how it turned up when I bought it. Didn't realise that at the time. When I actually fitted it on and I put spirit level on it, I thought, oh, why is that bit going dead straight and then it goes down like that? So that is what I'm going to try and do. I'm either going to drop that side down, the far side, so that it's level, or I'm going to have to replace it because, like I said, it is a bit bowed. If I get it close enough, I'm not too bothered about it. Those with OCD, they might be concerned about it, and they might start moaning at me and say, "Ah, no good, Yorkie, you need to replace it." Get over it, all right? Get over it. So that is what we're going to do. So I'm going to take this bar off. This is my overhead camera shot. It's quite easy to take down. It's really good, actually. Well worth the money. I'm going to take that down, and I'm going to remove everything off the shelf first, of course, and then take her apart. And then if I get too hot, I'll change my shirt. Or, I've got a jumper on at the moment and put a t-shirt on. So I'll shut up and we'll get on with it. All right, I hold my hands up. Yeah, it was my fault, partly. It was a little bit out and I re-drilled the holes and put them straight. So it's now straight. That is a little bit bowed, but not by a lot. So yeah, hopefully it's all right now. Hopefully for those with OCD, always asleep. Hopefully that's all right, mate. So with that, if you have any comments, please post them below. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. Please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Got there in the end, didn't we?